Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Pycharm on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome. And after going to the Google Chrome, we have to write the Pycharm here. So I'm going to write the Pycharm download. And after that, you can write that Pycharm download for Windows as well. It's up to you. As you can see now, the official site of this Pycharm will be opened here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this. As you can see now, let's click on this option. And we have to open this in a new link. And after opening this, as you can see, now this option is provided here, so I'm gonna click on this accept all. And as you can see, the option is provided here for Windows. If you want to change this, you can also do that. It's up to you. I'm going to click on this download. This is for the free 13 days trial. You can also do that. I mean the 30 days trial. So let's click on this. As you can see now, it's 818 MB long, so we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. And after that, you will be able to install this and use this. So in this way, you can download the Pycharm on your PC. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.